After you open the website of Calcgen Solutions and log into your account, go to Apps at the top and select Vessel Express. Before using this app, please make sure that you have been subscribed to this app. Click on Open App and you can see a welcome page. Now, to start a new project, go to File tab and select New. Soon, a dialog box will appear. Give a project name, select Vessel Orientation, then click Create button. Now, a model space is ready. At first, let's talk about menu bar. It has 5 tabs: Files, Component, Support, Actions, and Help. In File tab, New allows you to create a new project. Open to open previous projects. Tree shows a component tree. Snapshot to make a snapshot of vessel model views. And Run for performing calculations and viewing design report. Component tab has options for inserting components of vessel body. And supporting components in Support tab. Action tab has options for deleting a component or undo the action. Similarly, Help tab opens the help page for user guidance. Let us start modeling a vessel. Go to Component tab and you can see icons of vessel body components, such as cylinder, cone, head, and nozzle. Select a component you want to add, such as cylinder, and provide inputs as per your design specifications. After you are done with filling these inputs, click on Submit. You can see a component added in model space. To know more about inputs in components, please visit Help page. Let us add other components too. You can delete a component from the Action tab. Let's add more components and build a vessel. You should keep the order of shell and cone by yourself. The software can place head and other support components in their respective position irrespective of adding order. Support components such as a skirt for a vertical vessel, saddle for a horizontal vessel, and lifting lugs are available in Support tab. You can edit input data of any component later by selecting that component. At the right corner of the window, you can see the vessel orientation and project name. Also, there are 4 views options. These shows front, top, side, and isometric views. And you can take a look at components added yet from tree option. When you are done with modeling vessel, you can go for analysis. For analysis, there is a run option in File tab as we discussed earlier. A new window will appear in your browser showing the preview of the design report. Take a look at the report. If your design requirement meets your design specifications criteria, then you can download it. This is all about the working of the Vessel Express app. Thanks for watching. Calcgen Solutions.